Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your patience and presence. We're ready with the post-match presentation, but before that, many congratulations to Pakistan for putting up a great show, winning this 3-0 today. Also, it was a powerhouse performance, nailing almost everything. Right, we've got the party here, the dignitaries are here with us. Mr. Mohsin Naqvi, Chairman, Pakistan Cricket Board, is here with us. Timothy Kane, High Commissioner of Australia, is here with us. Welcome to the presentation ceremony. Mr. Naveed Gaba, CEO Vigotel Mobile. Ms. Hira Mani on behalf of Vigotel Mobile. Mr. Zahid Anjum, Group Head, Special Asset Management, Bank Alfla. Mr. Irfan Akhtar Gilani, Distribution Head, Retail Bank Alfla. Ms. Hadia Arshad, Head of Business Support and Planning, Jazz. The three more names. Mr. Mohammad Zakir Ali, CEO, Envirex EV Electric Vehicle. Mr. Abdul Hanan, General Manager, Hello Hair Shampoo. And Mr. Mohammad Zahir, Regional Distributor, Supersaf. The first award, may I invite Shadab Khan to please come forward, and the Chairman of the Board, Mr. Mohsin Naqvi, to present the PCB Moment of the Match Award to Shadab for his blistering innings. Really took the game to Australia. Mr. Mohammad Zahir, may I invite him to present the Super Saf Bowler of the Match, cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to Mohammad Nawaz, 5 wickets. Mr. Mohammad Zahir will present the Super Saf Dishwash Bar Striker of the Match, cash award of 1,50,000 rupees to Khaja Nafe. Really did strike them big. Ms. Hadia Arshad to present the Jazz Superpower of the Day, cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Saim Ayub. Superpower with the bat in this series. Mr. Abdul Manan will present the Hello Hair Shampoo 100% confident all-rounder of the match. It's Khaja Nafe for his stumping and runs. Mr. Zakir Ali will present the Envirex EV Electrifying Batter of the Match, cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Shadab Khan. It really was some knock. Mr. Zahid Anjum to please come forward and present the Bank Alfla Outstanding Performance of the Match, cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Mohammad Nawaz. His career best figures. Mr. Irfan Akhtar Gilani will present the Bank Alfla Leader of the Match, cash award of 1 lakh rupees to Matt Renshaw for that breathtaking catch. Right, it's the Player of the Match moment now. He'll sign the bat for Vigotel Mobile collaboration project in association with the Almera Foundation. Ms. Hira Mani will present the Vigotel Player of the Match trophy and cash award of 3 lakhs rupees to Mohammad Nawaz. He's already signing the bat. Terrific bowling performance. बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो आपको। किस तरह का कंपटीशन होता है जब हर स्पिनर जो है वो 5 विकेट्स लेने के लिए बेताब है और आप छा गए फिर?
जी बिल्कुल, जब ऐसी कंडीशंस मिलती हैं तो आपकी जो एज ए प्लेयर आप चाहते हैं कि आप अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले आपको और आप अच्छा परफॉर्म करें और इम्पैक्ट डालें टीम के लिए।
देखिए स्पिन पिच तो थी बट वहाँ पे बॉल भी करने थे, तो क्या आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी क्या थी? आपकी वेरिएशंस पे बेस था या एक्यूरेसी पे बेस थी ये परफॉर्मेंस?
जब ऐसी पिच हो तो ज़्यादा फोकस जो होता है बिल्कुल बेसिक पे चला जाता है, क्योंकि पिच से आपको ऑटोमेटिकली हेल्प मिलती है। उस तरह से बॉल स्पिन हर बॉल नहीं हो रहा था, बट स्लो ज़रूर था। तो कोशिश यही थी कि जैसे उनके बैटर्स हैं उनकी आँख से अवेयर रहें और अच्छी जगह पे बॉल करें और लेट देम डू व्हाट दे वांट टू डू।
तो शुरू कैसे करते हैं? विकेट्स लेने के लिए बॉल करते हैं या एक डिफेंसिव फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड होता है? किस तरह से आप नॉर्मली ऐसी पिच पे बॉलिंग करते हैं?
मेरी कोशिश होती है कि मैं अच्छे एरिया पे बॉल करूं और बैट्समैन की स्ट्रेंथ को सामने रखते हुए कोशिश करूं कि उनकी स्ट्रेंथ पे उस जोन में ना जाऊं और अच्छे बॉल पे अगर बैट्समैन चार्ज कर देता है, हिट मार देता है तो वो बट खुद से बॉल फीड ना करूं.
Brilliant performance. What impressive bowling performance.
थैंक यू.
Right. Mr. Naveed Gaba will present the Vigotel Player of the Series trophy and cash award of rupees 5 lakhs. Salman Ali Agha has won it for his brilliant batting performance and captaincy. Right, may I now invite the Australian captain to please come forward, Mitch Marsh. Mitch, bad luck. It was a hard gig, you know. I mean, it was about adapting on a tough pitch from BBL straight to low bounce and spin. Some introspection needed, you think?
Oh, look, yeah, first and foremost, Pakistan certainly outplayed us throughout the whole series. And as I said yesterday, there's some great learnings for us to take forward. But yeah, answers the learnings that we need to address quickly.
Sure. I mean, not even a single 50. I mean, that really has been a problematic area for you in the series.
Yeah, look, no doubt chasing was hard on that surface. And as I said in the previous games, when you're chasing totals on wickets like that, you just need partnerships. And we weren't able to do that. But again, we take good learnings from that.
Yeah, I mean, and then World Cup is only, what about 5-6 days away. How do you feel that campaign will work out for you now after this 3-0? I mean, do you need to G up as a team, forget about this series, look forward to another battle?
Oh, look, we'll certainly address this series and then park it and move forward to the World Cup. It's an exciting time for our group. And like most teams, it's been a really good build for us as a group. So we're looking forward to getting to Sri Lanka. Thank you for Pakistan for hosting us for this series. And yeah, looking forward to get to Sri Lanka now.
Yeah, I mean, you know, we've had 3 full houses. And it's a 50-50 thing because they want to see Pakistan play well against Australia. But because of your reputation, they came in huge numbers to support you as well.
Yeah, it was awesome. The crowds were fantastic. We know that these two cricketing nations have got great history. And we thoroughly enjoyed it. So thanks again and well done to Pakistan.
Well, safe travels and best of luck.
Thank you.
Mitch Marsh, the Australian captain. May I now invite the winning captain, please? Salman Ali Agha. सलमान, इससे कंप्लीट परफॉर्मेंस पाकिस्तान की टीम ने इतनी बड़ी टीम के खिलाफ मेरा नहीं ख्याल पहले दी होगी.
Yeah, I think it's a complete performance. From last 2 days, I think we have been outstanding. We batted well, fielded well, we bowled well. I think I can't find any mistake in last 2 games. But yeah, it was a great series for us. We have done really well and we proper dominated them.
Yeah, I mean, and your own performance. I mean, let's talk about that. You know, there's a complete shift. Once you've started to bat at number 3, things have fallen in place so wonderfully well.
Yeah, I'm in a great frame of mind right now. I know now how to put the captaincy away when I'm go to bat. So this is a plus point for me, and that's why I think I'm batting really well. And I really want to do that in World Cup as well, and I want to continue like that as well.
Yeah, another couple of boxes ticked in today's game. Shaheen Afridi bowled a superb new ball spell. That obviously will give you a lot of hope.
Yeah, he's been outstanding. Whenever he played, we have been playing him like not regularly because we wanted to save him for the World Cup. But whenever he played, he bowled outstandingly well with the new ball. And I think Naseem bowled really well today as well. So pretty much every box we have picked this in series.
Let's talk about captaincy. I mean, if you've got an arsenal like that and the spin arsenal like that, captaincy must be so easy, right? From a distance, it did appear that way.
It is easy, but when you have 5 spinners, and you only have 20 overs, so you don't know how to bowl, who to bowl, because they all are like outstanding bowler. Whenever I change anyone, they come and take wicket, and I don't know how to obviously bowl 20 overs with them. But yeah, it's a great headache for me, and they have been doing really well.
And they have obviously eliminated your role completely as a bowler.
Yeah, I'm not really a bowler anymore because we have already 5, and with me 6th, I don't really see my bowling many overs.
Yeah, I mean, and the fielding bit was brilliant as well. I mean, Pakistan looked very sharp in the field. So just about perfect sort of placement for you just before you go for the World Cup.
To be honest, we have been fielding really well since Asia Cup. Post Asia Cup, and we didn't well in the Sri Lanka, and we sat down before this series and we talk about that. We have been doing well in Sri Lanka. We were a bit off, but we wanted to make a mark on this series as well, and we had it.
All right, okay, it's your moment, your day, your series. So please go and pick up the trophy, Mr. Mohsin Naqvi and Mr. Naveed Gaba, to present the Vigo Tail Winner Trophy. Yeah, it's a big deal, beating Australia after a gap of so many years and beating them comprehensively. It's the 3-0 result. Just a tremendous all-round performance by Salman Ali Agha and his men.